A hello and a holly jolly, extra cheerful welcome to you all. This is the Synapse Misfire Christmas Special. I'm your host, Chris, and this is our other host, Jordan.
No, my name's Chris Miss.
It's Christmas. We're a bit of a couple of jolly fellas, you know?
Yeah, you know, there's Jolly Green Giant over here.
Jolly small bitch. We are in Jordan's kitchen.
Well, that's his kitchen, because I get no say in here, but yeah.
You know, what are we gonna do today, Jordan?
We're just going to stand here, imposingly.
Okay. Hey, Jordan, we should make gingerbread houses. Like you said, gingerbread house.
It's weird that you bring that up, because I just happen to have all the ingredients you need for gingerbread houses right here,
What are those ingredients, Jordan? What are the odds? It's so crazy that you just happen to have all of those ingredients and laid them out perfectly so that they were easy to access.
That's pretty cool, actually. So Chris, in case you're wondering, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing? We are decorating gingerbread houses, but
we're going to be making gingerbread houses from scratch. Gingerbread from scratch. But that's a little fucking boring, right?
Yeah, you don't want to see that.
Right? So we had an idea. If you could see here, I'm gesturing vaguely. I'm going to punch in on this. You can see it. There's a phone with a timer.
5-minute timer.
There's dice here, 2 of them. Every 5 minutes, we'll each take one of these dice, roll
them simultaneously,
and we have a list of punishments based on the number. They are here. And if we happen, Jordan, to get
doubles,
the same number,
what are the odds?
What's the plan for that?
So that's going to be considered a critical failure, a term many of you may be familiar with if you know D&D. In our case, no, Chris isn't going to die and bleed out on the ground, but maybe that'll come later. Instead, the critical punishment is we're going to be tied back to back.
Yes.
For 5 minutes until the next modifier, while trying to obviously finish the gingerbread houses.
Let's start with the ingredients, perhaps.
Obviously, all-purpose flour, some sugar, cinnamon, $8 organic ground cardamom, ground ginger. We do a little bit of bacon with soda, molasses,
cloves. I don't know what the fuck these are or what the purpose of them is. Oh, Jordan, these are whole cloves.
Oh, did it say ground? Oh, you know what that means.
Oh, man.
We gotta get the Meat Masher 3000.
You got the Meat Mangler? Get mangling.
And now, I think it's fair to say, we're gonna start the challenge. Are you ready?
Timer starting now. Okay,
right.
Jordan, what's the first step?
We have to mix together ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, cloves, baking soda, and salt, and then set it aside.
What the fuck? We need another bowl.
We need another bowl,
bro.
Oh shit, is it gonna fit in this one? This is the second Big Daddy bowl. But this is gonna be the flour bowl. So, ginger.
Okay.
I think I said cloves. We gotta mangle the cloves.
Oh, we need the Meat Mangler, bro.
You know, we really fucked ourselves by not opening any of these earlier.
We're already a minute down, Jordan. Oh my god. Ew, these look gross.
The cloves? They look like little fucking chocolates. They're nasty. Ew.
That doesn't look safe for human consumption. It's just smells good.
Cloves, baking soda.
Hey, you got measuring cups?
We do. So, we just gotta figure out what we have. What's the biggest one here? So ginger, it's 5 teaspoons. Cinnamon is 2.5 teaspoons. It's all teaspoons. So,
ginger.
I don't see a teaspoon, so we're gonna do half. I don't know what this is. I don't know why I have this in my hand.
And how many ginger do we need?
Ginger is 5 teaspoons. You have to do that 10 times.
Fuck you, Jordan.
This is what we come to when they don't have ground cloves at the store.
Okay, it's 10 half teaspoons of ginger.
It's not good enough. I'm gonna have to mangle harder. All right, I think our meat is thoroughly mounded. All right. How much of this shit do we need? These are cloves. We need half a teaspoon. I mangled too much meat.
That's not mangled enough, bruh.
All right, that's gotta be good enough. That's gotta be. Try to grab it from the bottom. The top is not. It's settling at the top. All the good shit there.
Half teaspoon in. What about cardamom?
Cardamom is going to be 1 teaspoon.
Oops.
Well, that was like 1 right there. What haven't you done yet? The baking soda?
Baking soda.
1 teaspoon. Is that it?
For dry?
All right, this gets set aside. Oh, did you do the nutmeg already?
Oh, no, we didn't. We got 8 seconds.
Chris forgot meg is nuts. I gotta wipe my nose, Chris. The cloves are
Do it
fucking
in
me.
2 seconds. Jordan, we have to roll. Jordan, get back.
What?
Okay.
5 and 2. Okay. So on the original list of punishments, Chris,
Okay.
I was a 5, you were a 2. I have to
Yes.
take a shot.
Okay. What do I have to do?
You have to put your non-dominant hand behind your back.
Left hand.
Behind your
Behind
back.
the back.
I gotta take a shot. For this first shot, I'm gonna do a full one. If I get it a bunch of times, I'm gonna switch to half ones because I don't really want to get tipsy.
Pick your poison.
I'm gonna go with the Captain Morgan Spice rum. I'm calling that a shot. All right.
That is a shot. Down the hatch, Jordan. I think he likes it. We need
All right.
nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Let's bring this back.
Open it, Jordan.
All right. How much of the Med's nut do we need? 1 teaspoon. Chris, I can't open it.
I can. I only got one hand.
You said 1? Here, you can.
1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
Yeah, 1 teaspoon.
Half.
Shake a little bit out. Yep.
1.
All right, we need to melt butter. So I'm gonna need one of these little. That was almost
Jesus
disastrous.
Christ, bro.
All right, I'm gonna call in a lifeline. Hey Doodle. Hey Doodle. How many tablespoons are in a cup?
US cup is 16 US.
I'm really gonna do this 16 times. Ain't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna start going to fucking town on this.
All right. What can I do?
I'm not gonna do a full cup of butter because that's a lot, dude. Melt butter, stir in molasses and sugar.
Molasses.
I'm gonna need a bit. I am just.
Got it.
God damn.
Oh, this smells like dick. How much do I need?
For molasses, you're gonna need 1.5 cups. It should be in the front left here.
1.5 cups. 1.5 cups?
This is a bad idea.
1.5 cups? You sure?
Hang on. All right, yeah, mixing that. So the original recipe for fucking molasses called 3/4 cups. So yeah, 1.5. We're doubling the recipe, by the way. I don't know if we said that on camera.
This looks like tar. You ever been to like a smoker's house?
Unfortunately,
This is the shit on their walls, bro.
the tar.
Yeah. The shit.
Also, that took almost that whole jar. Is that half empty?
Pretty much. Yeah, I don't know.
All right, I gotta try it now.
It tastes like chicken noodle soup.
I'm gonna have to try it. I can't just let you try it. Yeah, you're right, actually. It does. I gotta stir this a little bit. It's almost done. What do we have for
15
time?
seconds. 12 seconds.
Can't put that in there. Fuck.
Oh, he's more melting?
Like,
All right.
10 seconds.
Stop. Timer stop.
I'll have to stop that in a second. All right,
Okay.
ready to roll?
All right. Let's roll.
1 and
6.
6. You can't talk. I have to put my dominant hand behind my back, so you're gonna have to really rely on me telling you what to do. This is gonna be the fucking Jordan show over here. Okay, so molasses. I don't know. We need molasses and sugar. How much sugar is it? Let me figure that out first. It is 1 cup. That should both fit, I think, right? Full send it. It says right here, melt butter and then stir in molasses and sugar, okay? So go for it. Put the fucking mole ass or whatever in it. I think we need that for something else. No, yeah, in there. Good enough. Fuck it. Full send. Fucking Jordan solo here. This is proof of concept for my solo show. When Preston inevitably has a fucking heart attack. We need a cup of sugar. Do we really need a cup of this? Do you agree? Nod approvingly? Alright. That's like fucking diabetic ketoacidosis, bro. Alright, you ready? God damn. That's sugar. You're right. Fuck. Totally just forgot my punishment altogether. Alright, we have to mix in the dry spices we did, and then the water and the egg. The water we need... Of course, the water's not in the recipe. Uh-oh. I gotta look up a gingerbread recipe. Go to the fridge and get a fucking 2 eggs. 2 eggs, yep. 2 eggs in there. Dude, this recipe doesn't even have water either. None of them say water, Chris. Not a single recipe. I don't know what to do. Do we just add water as we see fit? Let me hold this bowl. You need to go to town. This is making sludge. This is just literally sludge. All right. Next punishment. Chris, I hate to admit it. I haven't ate anything today. I'm a little tipsy already.
That's probably a bad thing, Jordan.
Ugh.
What I was gonna say was, because I couldn't, is there not a link to the recipe in the document?
No, I don't think we saved it.
What the fuck? We're so stupid.
Yeah, we didn't save it. All right, roulette time. If let's just take a shot, I'm fucked. All right, ready?
Probably should have eaten something.
Haven't had time, man. Oh, no.
One.
Your dominant hand's behind your back, and I'm blindfolded. I gotta be real careful not to spill stuff. So this feels like Ed's.
That is
You already put 2 in, right?
So yeah, there's 2 shells still in there, so just keep that in mind.
All right,
So,
put this somewhere safe. Also, you're gonna have to read the ingredients, or the recipe.
oh, I can't read.
You're gonna have to add all the flour. It's 9 or 6 cups, I think.
This here says 6. Place flour into large bowl, make well in the center, pour wet ingredients into the, here, hang on.
All right, get that?
Open the flour. 6 cups.
Should be.
Okay, I have a cup here. All right.
Here.
Let me, hang on. Let me move this. Bring this big bitch in. All right. So, oh, Jesus.
Okay, so if I hold it here, can you use the cup to scoop it out?
Oh, you want me to scoop it out? I thought you were going to dump it in.
Well, we need 6 cups. We need to kind of measure it.
I thought you were going to dump it into the cup. Hang on.
Oh, I can try.
Just give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, keep going.
Did that not work at all? I don't think that worked
So that's
at
probably
all.
like a cup and a half. No, don't pour it again. I'll scoop it from here then. Oh, we're making a fucking mess, Jordan.
I don't even want the blindfold to come off right now. Lexi's gonna be so mad at me.
That's two cups because I didn't get a full one. Oh man, dumping it is probably what we're gonna have to do because it's like scooping it is such a pain.
What if I blow this thing's ass apart and like open it up? Does that help at all?
Yeah, it might.
Cause your dominant's behind your back, right?
Yeah, I'm using my left hand only. Oh no, that actually worked a lot better. 3, okay, 4, 5. That's a lot of flour. 6.
Right.
That's 6 cups of flour.
All right, where's the table so I don't drop this whole thing?
There you go. Okay, flour in the bowl. Make a well in the center. Pour the mixed wet ingredients. Gradually stir into the flour into the liquid.
All right, so make a well.
Well is made.
All right, now I don't know where the wet ingredients are.
Well, what I'm proposing here, because you have both your hands.
Mm-hmm. If you can guide me, I can pour it slowly.
No, I'd say take edge of the pot right here.
Uh-huh.
And then take a whisk so you can stir.
Oh, as you pour. Where's the whisk?
Whisk, it's, okay, so it's in the pot right now. It's in the well, so don't do anything just yet.
Okay, I'll hold it perfectly still.
The wet ingredients are coming in.
Okay, let me know when to start the stirring.
I'm assuming you stir as it goes.
Yeah, I think it says stir
So
slowly.
it's coming in.
Now?
Yeah, start stirring. You gotta be vigorous, Jordan.
You gave me my non-dominant hand, man. Just like you. I don't like the way this feels.
I need something to scrape this with.
We have one hand anyway, so
That's true.
I just probably have to wait.
I'm just gonna hold it here for 20 seconds, so until I get both my hands
Is
back.
it empty?
It's oozing out.
Okay.
Oh, that's a great shot for the camera. All I see is the bottom of the bowl.
All right.
Timer's up.
Ready to roll? Rinse my hands quick.
Rolling. 6 again.
4.
What is 6?
6 is can't communicate, and I have earmuffs. So you can't talk, and I can't hear. Let me get the earmuffs.
All right.
I guess this is the perfect of 2 evils because you can't hear. I mean, you can't talk. Fucking straight. Good? Think so? Keep going. You know, I arguably like Chris better when he can't talk. You know, it smells like gingerbread. Doesn't really look like it, though. I think we're missing the water. Should we start adding water? Hey, Google. How much water should I put in gingerbread? That's my handicap.
And I found these results on search.
I can't fucking hear her. Half. Bring the pot over here. Does it look like half to you? I mean, technically it's probably 1 cup because we doubled it, but whatever. I think we should get the electric mixer, do you? Yeah, it, not exactly looking pretty. Bowl is too deep for this damn mixer. This is not going well at all. Oh, I can hear again.
All right, it's done. We pick our next punishment.
All right, you ready, Chris?
5.
I can't talk, and you got 5. You have to take a shot, which is mint for you. You're good. Get you with that close-up shot.
Oh yeah, that's a Dave and Deuster's.
Dave and Deuster's. Has that even been opened?
It has. It's like the seal's cracked, but like I can't get the torque on it.
I
You got a
got
wrench?
this. I got this. Let me fucking see. Hang on. I'm trying to fucking get my inner.
Oh, I got it. Dude, this is actually like.
Please you should drink something else. Just take the wild turkey. Oh, and I think for context, you're doing half shots, or you went full. Never mind. Almost full. He's not bitching out.
The next one, I'll probably do half ones, but
Yeah. Down the hatch. All right, and I can't talk. Go.
that tastes like ball hair. All right, mix that shit up, boy. That looks like fecal matter. Looks like fecus. What's next, Jordan? You need your phone, brother. Jordan, we don't have 2 weeks, Jordan. We don't have overnight, Jordan. We don't have that much time, Jordan. What should we do, you think? Well, yeah, I guess you can't answer that question. I don't know if that's gonna roll. That's like very thin. Maybe that's where the 2 weeks comes in. We didn't account for that. Maybe we should have read the recipe. You know. But also, how important is that really? Yeah, just scoop her on out. All right, 2 seconds. All right, we're.
Oh shit. Oh no.
Okay. Get it off your hands, Jordan.
I
You gotta
can't.
roll. I'll roll for you. Here.
I gotta
Can't see it, but it's.
three.
Oh no! It's
What?
critical failure.
We got 3s.
2 threes.
Fuck.
Okay.
Chris, what the fuck?
So we're at the stage of making the dough into.
You gotta move it into there. Hang on, let me read it. So you grab the gloves. Turn. You grab the gloves. I'm gonna just be back. Here's the
What
recipe,
size
boy.
are these? These are not gonna fit me.
Make it work.
Okay.
All right. So when it's ready to make cookies in 2 weeks, you roll it out onto the dough onto a floured surface,
Okay.
1/8 to a 1/2 inch thick, depending upon whether you would like crisp or soft cookies.
we
Cut
want-
shapes and place them on parchment-lined cookie
Do
sheets.
we
So
want crisp or soft?
I don't think we're getting either at this point.
We'll
Yeah.
be lucky if we get cookies.
Hey, Chris, I just want to say,
Yeah.
in our defense, right, this recipe, the first step, and we copied this directly from the website, the first step is to preheat the oven. Are you going to preheat the oven for 2
Oh, you're
weeks?
preheat it overnight, asshole. Hang on, we'll switch. We'll switch roles here.
All right, so what did you do so far? Nothing?
I just slammed it against the cutting board a bunch. You're supposed to like roll it out, right?
Yeah, this is not working. Hang on, stand sideways with me. I might need you to like scrape it out of my hands or something, or flour me. You might have to flour my ass. Oh, hang on, there we go. We're getting some shape out of it. No, we're
Are you
not.
sure?
No, we're not. So 3 minutes on the timer.
Because
You
we
can't
forgot
see
to start
it because we forgot to start it, and the camera's fucked up, and everything's fucked up, and this is not working in the slightest.
Does it need more dry, you think?
I don't know what it needs, Chris, but it ain't this.
Just like, I don't know, shape it up a little bit.
All right, there you go. You want booger? Is that the shape you're looking for? Oh, I can make a ball. We got a nut sack out of it. It's like a fucking nut.
What if we just made like cookie?
Yeah, you know what? Maybe this just turns into cookie. Yeah, let's do that. I like that idea,
Well,
Chris.
we'll try to make house shapes, but no guarantees.
Oh yeah, look though. It's like actually solidifying.
Yeah, it looks
It looks like a heart at the moment, but like shit
looks
colored.
like a turd.
All right, Chris. I'm gonna pop these gloves off. We need to get a baking sheet, and we need to line it with parchment. So come this way. I know the lay of the land.
Hang on, wait. Let me get a camera for us.
Ugh. Chris, I don't see parchment. I found parchment. It's down there.
Found it.
All right. Did it say parchment and flower lined? I don't know.
Sure.
So, what the fuck is this? All right, time's up. Untie it on your end. What the fuck is happening? So for context, because I don't know if this quite translated to what you've seen so far, we missed a vital step in the recipe. Yeah, that vital step basically said that everything we're doing now should have been done a day to 2 weeks prior to this. We were supposed to prep it.
Yeah, but the dickheads say put it in the oven.
Preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven, but then make all the ingredients and then just leave it open for a day. Leave the oven on for a day. Put your head in there and suck all the gas in.
Yeah.
Until you die.
It's punishment time, unfortunately. We might start having to up this timer because we were getting minimal progress.
Okay.
Ready.
5 and 6.
All right, so 5 and 6. I can't communicate, and you need to take another shot.
I want to see if I can get this fucking open.
I have pliers. New B-roll. You were C-roll, now you're B-roll. Oh, you say B-hole?
All right, I'm gonna do half shots. Here. It's like half. Okay.
A little bit of fireball. Good
I
luck.
only had fireball like once.
It's good.
There's a cinnamon. You can't communicate, right? All right. So let me put this one right here. The timer's going for reference for B-roll, because our other B-roll has fucking died. So this shit here is going on here. Try to make a house shape. Try to make a house shape, Jordan. That's close. Okay. Try to make a man shape. He's making Play-Doh snakes. Yeah! Bro's got testicular cancer. Flour's going on. Jordan's getting more slop. Is that good, you think? Or more dust? Just give me the word. It's funny because he can't talk right now. Jordan, say nothing if you're gay. Oh, this trick in the book. I fucking got him. This guy's gay. I'm fucking losing my mind. Y'all ever give like a cow a rectal exam? Oh, I'm fucking sweating. Holy shit. More flour, more flour. Okay. How many cookie you think that's gonna make? You think it's gonna be good? 4, 5, 0. 450 cookies? Is that what you're saying? Oven to 450. Got it. Oven to 4... Oh, how does this fucking thing work? There's a fucking piece missing.
Time is up.
Time's up.
Did you set it?
No, I just touched one of the knobs and the timer went.
Yo, check this out. It's a tactical reload. Check that shit out, bro.
That was cool as shit. You fucking jamoke.
That didn't work out well.
What was your goal even?
I was trying to slink it over the cap.
You were trying to do a fucking dude perfect trick shot.
First try. That's punishment. You want to grab the B-roll over here?
Alright. Hang on.
I hope I don't get a 5. I cannot afford another shot, man.
6. It's a...
Fuck!
Alright, we need more hands. Lexi, come help. Jordan and I gotta do gay stuff again. Alright, hang on. We gotta walk you back over here so you can make more,
Well, I gotta start the timer, bitch. Come back. Okay, timer start. You got the B-roll?
I got
That
B-roll.
was C-roll. Now it's B-roll. As we ran out of B-roll. The real B-roll camera, see, it's a Sony product, so it blows. So it dies in about 18.73 femtoseconds.
There you go.
So if you can't tell, we've changed this to gingerbread balls, it
Doing
seems.
cookie.
Yeah.
Try to make something fun. Make like a gingerbread cock again.
Yeah, you know what? With this blank space, I'm gonna make a nice big ginger cock. Although I might need more ginger to make the ginger cock. If I'm honest with you, I'm gonna give it 2 big nuts. Right here.
2
fucking
big nuts.
Look at that fat fucking nut, dude.
What's right in my ear?
You see that fat nut down here? Down that one?
Yeah.
Look at that fat nut, dude. I need you to flour me, bro.
Okay.
Oh shit! I almost tripped.
Flour cam. Flour on the board?
Yeah.
He's got his hands in the shit bucket.
Hang on. Yeah, we used this when we went to Monterey to take a shit outside. Yeah, fucking just move this diarrhea. Fucking just look at that.
I'm gonna fucking die.
Dude, if you die, I'm literally dead. Your dead weight is coming down on me.
My back is arched hard.
I need you to flour me, brother.
Oh, hang on. Let's move it around then. Let's bring it around. Wait, all right. You're going this way. Let's bring it around town.
Let's fucking pivot. Pivot.
Cam.
We got 1 minute, 2 minutes and 10 seconds rather.
Flour cam. Is that too much?
No, that's good. Good enough. It'll work. It'll work.
Coming back.
My back is arched forward, and that hurts as well. So we're both just gonna have fucking back problems soon. See this? See this, though? See this? Look at that.
Damn,
That's
bro.
like dough. Who needs 2 wheats? Just give it a fucking 85 cups of flour. You dumb bitch. We're making the recipe now.
Yeah, we're the fucking captains.
We're the fucking innovators over here. Alright, I think we're good to make more balls.
Oh, God. Oh, my back.
You know, there's no one I'd rather be tied to, Chris. Come this way. I'm holding shit. We need to go.
Oh.
I got a fat nut in my hand. Hang on.
Sounds like a typical night for me.
Hang on. I'm gonna try and make a curvy dick, because, I don't know, curvy dicks just seem to hit different.
You would know.
100%. What do you think? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Lay it out. This has got a right ankle in it? What is your problem? Is that what your dick looks like?
I ran out of room for the dick.
Okay, we're done. Timer's over.
It's the most time I've ever spent tied to a man, I'll have you know.
That's a lie, and we both know it. Alright, now that I can film properly. Here, this is what we've made so far.
Hang on. Just smush the nuts and the
We got
shafts
some
together.
cookies, right?
It's a weird
Ginger cock with a right angle bend in it.
I love the right angle. Look at this. Dude fell on his cock while he was running.
Oh, you gotta go to the hospital for that, bro. 350?
350.
Okay.
350.
Whoa.
All right. We're back.
We're back. I'll do something funny with that.
Maybe.
Alright.
So hit the timer.
Hit
Well, we gotta roll.
Oh, we gotta roll because we
Left off on a roll. Oh yeah.
2.
5 and 2. I gotta take another shot. But non-dominant hand behind your back. I am gonna do a half shot. This is Captain Morgan run, by the way. I kept it classic. Ugh.
Non-dominant hand. Left.
Behind the back.
L.
Loser!
Behind the back.
Loser! You're a loser!
Bro's emoting. Get
I'm
the
gonna
gloves
need you to
on,
flour
bro.
me.
Okay. So this is Operation Ginger Cock. We're gonna make a
Oh,
giant
yeah.
ginger cock here.
Yeah, that's the goal.
We're gonna make a big ass gingerbread dick and balls.
Oh, we have some metal in here. It's like when they get fucking kids' Halloween candy with razor blades. Hang on. Now flour the shit out of me.
Oh, he's spreading it wide open.
Fucking gaping ginger cock hole. Here you go.
Oh.
Okay, it's good for now. So you're just gonna zero me playing with some fucking dough. Some dough Ray Faso Lucky Ray dough.
Dough. I make my cookies out of dough. Ray.
The sun rays.
Something about the sun.
Radiation rays. Alright, I need more flour.
There's no one else I'd rather be.
I'd rather be many people than myself.
I would rather be an incredibly wealthy person.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like gummy. It's breaking apart. So I think we have enough here for one big nut.
One nut?
Wait, is it? You think that's a fat enough nut, Chris? What do you think?
I think that's a sizable testicle if I've seen one.
Hang on, I think we're gonna need more, Chris. Yeah, we're gonna need more.
I'll flour you up.
I'm gonna try and scrape what little remnants I fucking can from this fucking pot. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a sizable cock if I've ever seen one, and I see one every morning. What am I saying? Let me just fucking stretch the cock, elongate the cock. I tried this once when I was 15.
Is that an actual story?
I tried stretching and elongating the cock. See, like that. Didn't work. It also tore very similarly. All right, give me like a dabble of flour more. Fucking dibble dabble.
Is that a dabble?
A little bit more. Yeah.
A dabble and a half?
There you go, dabble and a half right there. May have been too much dab for a dibble, honestly.
You over dab the dip dab.
Dimmadome on the dub deal dimmadome.
I'm the dimmadome on the dimmadome.
And I suck.
Gay Doug Dimmadome be like, I'm Doug Dimmadome, owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome. I'm fucking gay. That wasn't even funny.
Oh, dude, I'm making like a giant horse cock. I might have to roll this out on here and transplant it. Hang on.
Oh my god, that's heinous. Here, give it.
Oh, time's up for the
Time's
punishment.
up.
Let me just do this. I know it's technically cheating. Fuck off.
Alright, we're rolling for
You
it.
good, Christopher?
I am.
5 and 1. So I have to take another shot, which is fantastic. What's one? That's dominant hand behind your back. That's more than half a shot, but whatever. Well, actually, no. It's got a bubble in the bottom. See the bubble booty in the shot glass?
Down the hatch, brother.
I haven't had Fireball in a very long time. My favorite whiskey, though. It's like a fucking hot tamale if it jizzed in your mouth.
What's next? Oh yeah, you gotta add definition to the ginger cock. But you gotta like mushroom it out a bit.
Trying, there ain't enough shit to mush it. Hang on.
Right. Perfect, dude. It's going good.
Let's take a dip where someone stepped on the tip. Here's the first one. This is the generous batch. We're cock 1.0.
Throw it in the oven.
Red Angle Cock gets top shelf privileges. And
Throw it in.
I'm gonna set a timer. It says 12 minutes. That's some big dough. If I ever seen big dough.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do 20.
Okay.
And we'll just keep an eye on it. Are we done for now? I think we are, right?
I think so. Hang on, wait.
Hang on.
So, the cookies are done, Jordan.
Sure.
They look great.
Look at this fat nut.
You know, we got right angle cock, some cookie, and then we have...
Dun 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 dun.
Da-na-na. It's fucking...
Fuck, dude.
This is... Okay. My hand.
Yeah, here's mine for
Here's another
additionals.
hand.
Yeah.
And here's another hand. My hand's about that big. For reference. Green. Green.
What happened? What did I miss?
Green.
Alright, I'm gonna feel for this whole being blind thing. I mean, I'd still kill myself if this was my everyday.
Alright, Jordan.
What did I make?
Explain your concept here.
Bukkake.
Looks like it. I was just kind of going through a horrified expression with 2 eyes, a nose, and a screaming mouth. What's our design philosophy with this one? Because I see we have a...
Finna bust.
We have some... There's no finna in the question here. There's cum actively coming out.
So the red, that's the basically like the gas light on the car. It's saying tank is empty.
Okay.
And then this is where it emptied.
Right.
And then there's just a ring here to make you feel happy.
Right, and there's some like drippage.
Oh yeah, he defied gravity.
Right.
This is like the green monster.
So you said something about the Hulk, and I decided to make it a Hulk cock.
It's Bruce's nuts and
he's got an STD here, and he's got Hulk. Everyone knows in the lore that the Hulk has nodules on his cock.
Of course.
Ribbed for her pleasure.
It's like the comic 103.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are all these eyeballs on his balls.
He's got eyes on his balls as part of the gamma radiation thing. So, it's just, he just looks like that. It's also at a right angle. That's also in comic 103.
When he trips and falls.
Yeah, he trips and falls and snaps his cock in half. And they reattach it at a right angle on accident.
The other ones were just like spewage.
These ones were just fucking Jordan went to town with the green. Speaking of going to town with the green, this is green, where I sat for about a minute and just put green on there.
I like how it looks like there's a layer, like there's a thickness to that.
Yeah, no, that's a lot of ice. I put like half of that in there.
Yeah. This was just blindfold madness. This is like Helen Keller, but I can hear at least, so I could hear shit missing the pan. So Chris, I think there's one reasonable thing left to do.
What's that?
We're obviously biased, right? Like, we made this. This is our baby. We give this 10 out of 10, I'd imagine. I give it 10 out of 10.
Especially this one right here and this one.
But
chef's
our
kiss.
opinions don't matter, right? Like, we're making this for the public. This is a new business venture.
Of course.
So we got to get an external review.
We're businessmen doing business.
We have to get external review.
Do we have to go harass women now?
So here's the first shaft that we made for you.
For you, specifically.
To try it?
This is...
You can totally eat the shaft if you want.
What the heck
What do you think?
That's the Hulk shaft after he tripped fighting a villain and fell on his shaft. And it broke.
And that one next to it, that one next to it,
before, right?
No.
that one next to it is, I put like half the packet of green icing on that.
Yeah, I can see that.
Give it a try.
That doesn't look good.
I'm gonna try one of these.
She goes right for the cock, of course.
I don't know. I kind of want to try that one.
Go ahead.
I don't know
Green.
how, because it's gonna make a mess.
Oh no!
Great.
Oh no! She re-broke the Hulk's cock. He's got a chode now.
Alright,
All
take
right.
a bite of his
What
shaft.
do you think?
I think it's only fair if we eat the shaft too. Let me see. I want that shaft. I'll take that shaft.
Give me the chode.
You want me to eat the nuts? Alright, hang on. Oh god, I'm dripping green. We want to get some nut cam in here?
What do you think?
We need some more gingerbread.
Alright, pretty good. Want to try it?
Yeah, I'll take I bite right from the. Hang on, I bite right from the chode.
That's not bad.
This is better than actual gingerbread.
No, it's not bad actually.
The actual gingerbread you buy from the kits tastes nasty. This is actually pretty good.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10,
How would you rate our cock? Our first cock. There's more cocks to come.
The eyes are disgusting.
Alright, that's not our problem. That's a manufacturer issue. It's a Halloween cock, okay? There are many eyes.
The icing is...
Actually, really good. I like the icing.
Like a 9 out of 10.
Woo!
And the gingerbread? Hold on.
You said it's better than store-bought, so I think that right there makes it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Alright, give me my cock back. You're done.
Oh.
She just ate the worm off that monster. Oh, she snatches the worm. There's a design philosophy here, and we need you to rate it on it. So these red dots are status indicators of the capacity in the tank. And this is where the tank went. And he has a cock ring on, too. So how do you rate that design? Oh, and he also jizzed on himself.
That's too small.
No, it fits perfectly, actually. This is
He just wants a really tight fit.
This is Chris's personal one. He actually brought it from home.
No, yeah, that's mine, actually.
Okay.
That's too big for me, honestly.
So what do you think?
What do you think? What do you think? What would you pay for
Not
these?
enough white stuff.
Listen, bro.
Need some
His
more
tank
white
is
stuff
empty.
going on.
The tank is empty. What can I say?
Yeah, but there wasn't enough there.
You were saving that for you. Ungrateful.
Fair enough.
God. What would you pay for these in a restaurant?
if hypothetically Chris and I went into a business venture,
Yeah, what
we
would you
opened up
pay
a
for
cock
these?
trot, and it was a gingerbread cock for manufacturing facility. Call it the Ginger Cock Bros.
For this one alone,
Yeah, this specific one. What would you pay for that?
$50.
$50.
All right, what about the green cock?
Yeah. What about green?
That one, I say 100.
100.
Yeah.
Wow.
Specifically because of this guy.
Of course.
Now, that's everyone's favorite, Mr. Green.
Green.
So, we actually have a couple more specials we made. These are possibly specialty items that are going to hit the menu shortly.
These are high quality. These are prototypes.
Prototypes.
These
You're the
are
first to
never
see.
before seen.
So this next one, this is a prototype called Blindfold Larry. He was made, but what the fuck is that thing doing? She's playing with our cock.
Bottom of it.
Oh my god.
What did you do to this?
Rate Blindfold Larry here.
Oh.
What do you think about Blindfold Larry? We really needed to diversify the candies. These were supposed to be houses. So initially it was fine. But I haven't lived in a dick in about 21 years, so.
100 out of 10.
What can I say? I'm a bit of a gingerbread maker.
I'm a bit of a designer.
I'm a bit of a fucking philosopher.
I'll buy 10.
How much would you pay for that?
$2 million.
I think we got a business here, dude.
That's a business.
Alright, we have one more for you to review.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is Chris's personal creation. Christopher, what is the name?
His name's Jeremiah.
Jerome
His name's Jerome Jeremiah.
Jenkins.
So my design philosophy here is I wanted to make a man who is horrified at his own creation, and you can see his eyes slowly evacuating his face,
Because he's just so
his
horrified.
nose, and his screaming mouth running off his face,
Because he's just so
and he's
horrified.
horrified.
Hi, Oscar. Bitch.
He's, it was supposed to be sort of a statement on existing and existential dread as a whole.
Sort of a personal touch to it as well. I'm actually glad that he
What
slid
is
apart
this?
like that. That's a butterscotch.
That's a butterscotch hard candy.
I actually like that it looks like he's like...
It looks like an owl.
Very
Okay,
owlish.
okay,
I
yeah,
see why you could.
This is why we go to the pros as a designer.
Owls are a bit of a symbol of kind of wisdom, but I was thinking more existential dread here.
He's like, fuck, dude, I'm gonna be extinct in 10 years because the humans
I think
suck.
the mouth needs something. Like
Should have jizzed in it.
some lips or something.
See?
He's big, kind of. I'm not gonna make that joke. Sorry.
I give him an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I'll take it. What would you pay for it?
Maybe.
I paid this one $1,000.
Okay.
This is a good one.
Hey, it's a good one.
It's a good one.
It's a good one. What do you think? Is it good? Probably tastes like all the other ones, I'd to guess.
I know, and what's funny is we randomized the amount of flour that we actually put into this because some of them needed more depending on how much of a wad we put in.
This is true.
So you can see it in the color variations. Like that one's a lot darker than that one, but yet somehow it was better. I don't know.
Tastes good.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my god!
What's this butterscotch?
Shut up, dude. Good. Google, show me.
So what do you think of our cots and our existential crisis and our blindfold Larrys? What would you rate this entire venture, this business venture? Would you fund this? Would you fund this as an investor?
Yeah. What would you invest in this business?
In this brand called Chris and Jordan Cot Making. Running title. She's going with our scotch, so.
$5 million.
$5 million for what percentage stake in this company?
95%.
Deal. We're in business.
He's got to try some too, though. He's the boss here.
Oh wait,
so.
actually, all right. Sorry.
And the CFO just showed up.
Nope, he doesn't want it. Let's let him out.
You get your fat fucking
I'm
ass
out.
back
I don't
there.
want
You
it
eat the
anymore.
fucking cookie. You eat it. You eat it, you orange piece of shit. It's $5 million. You understand that? You have no concept of money. You're a fucking animal.
Nope, I step back.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna put you in a bag. I'm gonna throw you in a river. Oh, I didn't like that. I'm sorry, Oscar.
What did
I'm sorry, Oscar. I was just joking.
What did I-
I was playing.
What did I
Sorry.
say at the start of? I don't know if it was this or the podcast. Oscar's not like Chunk. He's a fighter.
I'm sorry, Oscar.
He doesn't
I
just
didn't
back
mean
down.
that.
He fights.
I didn't mean that, Oscar. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's so funny.
He was like, "What the fuck did you say to me?" He was ready to swing.
Oscar's a fighter, dude.
I said I was sorry. So, Jordan, that was the Synapse Misfire Christmas Special 2022 edition.
Yeah.
And to the audience, I'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas or Happy whatever it is you celebrate. Do you have anything to add, some Christmas cheer, perhaps?
I hope Santa or whoever brings you something spicy.
Like a pepper?
Like a ginger cock.
So remember to like and subscribe and do all that stuff.
It's also Instagram and TikTok. And if you've only seen this video, if you're new, if you just arrived and somehow you've liked this video, fucking follow the podcast, bitch. That's the main event.
Yeah.
Follow us. Subscribe. Stick
Please.
around. Please. We need money. And we want to make money. Because these cots cost a lot of money. These cots ain't free.
It's like Kendrick Lamar said, "This dick ain't free." It's one of his songs.
I inferred.
Hey, see you guys later. Have a good Christmas or whatever. Goodbye.